Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Rae. Today's gonna be in a very exciting video because I'm gonna be reviewing the new Jeffree Star / Morphe brushes. As you can see there, I already used them. And then also I'm gonna be using the Blood Sugar palette for this amazing eye look. So I put my alien antennas back. Okay, we're gonna start off with JS1, and we're gonna buff it all over the face. I'm gonna do one pump. Let's see. So you're gonna buff and blend with circular motions. The brushes feel soft. To use more foundation. So you don't have to go hard, like press hard. To be honest with you guys, I don't use foundation brushes. This is like my first foundation brush I've ever used before. What do you guys think? Is this better than a sponge? I just want to feel the brush on my face. Wow, this feels good. It's very nice. So the best way to apply is the way Jeffree did it. He pumped the foundation and then he dabbed the foundation, not like really pressing it in. He dabbed it and then buffed out and moved the foundation around. Okay, so I just finished using the JS1 foundation brush, and now I'm gonna go in with a damped Jeffree Star x Morphe sponge, beauty sponge, and I'm gonna set under my eyes. Wow, this is like really big. And while that is settling in, I'm gonna go in with the JS2 brush. I'm gonna wipe away the airspun with my compact powder to bring back my color. Oh my god, that was like like super flawless. Okay, so I'm not gonna wipe away what's underneath the eye just yet because I'm gonna go next with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes using only these two brushes. So I almost poked my freaking eye. Okay, so it's gonna be the JS5, just a long-haired one, and then the JS6, which is kind of short. Of course, I'm gonna dive into none other than the Blood Sugar palette. The color that we're gonna be using first is Tongue Pop right here. Before I get started, I'm gonna put my little cheat sheets on. It's like I'm saying Chi-Chi, huh? So we're gonna dive in with some Tongue Pop. Put that here. We're gonna bounce that shit on there. We're gonna bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Wow. Oh my god, this brush is freaking awesome. Like what Jeffree always says, okay, pigment. This brush is freaking amazing. So that pink is in there. It's a pretty color. Still using the JS5, I'm gonna go in with Captivity. Captivity right here. We're gonna get her buttered up. You see that? Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with the JS6 and I'm gonna dip into Coma. I don't want the purple too heavy. I'm just dabbing on it very lightly actually. Oh my god, this brush size is perfect. It fits my small lids. I have very tiny lids. Okay, so I finished with the purple. So I am gonna wet, actually this was my saliva. And then we're gonna go in with, next color I'm gonna use is Candy Floss. This color right here. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. That's done. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some eyelashes on. I have foundation in my hair. Put on some, oh, contour. Duh. So I'm gonna use the JS3 brush. This is the contour brush. Said it's good with powder and with cream. Oh my god, this is like so perfect for the nose. Like, oh my god. Wow. I'm so shocked. Wow. Oh my god, Jeffree, you did this? You did this. You gave me plastic surgery. Let's do some highlight. Now we're gonna go in with the Jeffree Star JS4. I'm gonna go in with this color Sweetener to highlight my cheekbones. So how are you guys liking the brushes so far? Oh my god. I don't own a highlighter brush, and this is my first highlighter brush, and I'm glad it's from Jeffree Star. Wow. That's so pretty. Guys, so this is the finished look. This was my inspiration for this look, which was the Jeffree Star eyes. Does it look like his eyes? Do I look like Jeffree Star? These brushes were amazing. I loved them. I loved every single brush. There was just one brush that I didn't use, which was the JS7 one. You guys, I really enjoyed filming this today. I hope you get to get your hands on these brushes. Funny backstory on this, getting this brush set. So then Jeffree posts, I have him on Snapchat. So when I watched his Snapchat, he announced that he was gonna have the brush set at Ulta. And I was like, oh my God, it's gonna be at the Ulta store. You know, there's one by my house. I'm gonna go ahead and go. So I tell my husband, March 3rd, we need to make sure we're up early so we can go to the Ulta store. We're waiting, and I just told my husband, I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna take a picture of everyone and send it to Jeffree. And it's because the reason why I sent it to Jeffree, I'm gonna show him how many people are in El Paso, like at Ulta right now, just to go get his product. When I saw his Snapchat and he was like jumping in his backyard and how happy he looked, it made me so happy. Okay, my brave ass, I'm gonna go to the front of the line. And I honestly thought like no one was gonna be like, no, this is stupid, you know. I just said, okay guys, I'm gonna take a picture and send it to Jeffree Star. Like if I was his best friend. And then I didn't even say, oh guys, I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna send it to Jeffree through Twitter. I was like, okay, ready? And I was like, 1, 2, 3, and I took the picture. And then I'll post a picture of my tweet. I'll post a picture of my tweet. All of a sudden I get a notification, Jeffree Star retweeted you. And I was like Jeffree Star retweeted me. And then, so that was like the fun backstory in it. And then I'll post the tweet that he retweeted. And it was that he said, sending all pink hugs and kisses. And I was like, oh, send more. So thank you guys so much for watching my review on the Jeffree Star / Morphe brushes. And also, I hope you enjoyed this eye look that I made with the Blood Sugar palette. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. This video a thumbs up, give a comment down below. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Hi, Mixie. My alien antennas. And before we get started, Nikita, I missed you walking in. In the description box down below, I'll be listing.